Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to begin. Open Excel and create a blank workbook so you can start entering data immediately. Once the file appears, save it right away to a known folder and give it a clear name because autosave won't replace organized files. Make quick view adjustments, zoom level, grid lines, and weather to show formula results so you see the structure you need. These first actions prevent lost work and speed subsequent steps, and they set up a clean canvas for building tables and formulas. You'll structure your sheet by labeling columns and entering consistent values. This matters because formulas depend on predictable types. Once you have a range, convert it to a table with Ctrl+T to gain filters, banded rows, and structured references that simplify formulas. Use data validation to restrict inputs and remove duplicates to clean the list. Together, these reduce errors. As you type, press Tab to move right and Enter to move down, which keeps data aligned and speeds entry while preserving integrity. Now add calculations and presentation. Insert core formulas like equals SUM and logical equals IF, then use XLOOKUP or index/match for lookups. These compute results and link ranges. Apply number formats and conditional formatting to highlight key values and add a chart to visualize trends. Once reviewed, save and export as PDF if sharing. If numbers look wrong, use trace precedence and error checking to find broken links. Make sure formulas use absolute.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.